to my live. Thank you so much for 44 viewers. Thank you so much. Oh, I don't have viewers right now. Not unlike last night. I have much. I don't have sponsor to nobody. Oh, is that? Good night. Good evening. Who is that? Happy? I can't. I can't read because I to the 47 viewers. Good evening. Oy, what's this? Thank you so much for the 56 viewers. Ayan. Oy, what happened to my mobile with this phone? Okay. That is only my last mobile. Maybe it will be again broken. Oh, hi. Yes, 73 viewers. Good evening. Thank you so much mga kapangga to my 73 viewers. Tomorrow I cannot do live already because I don't have connection. It's already gone. Yan mga pangga. To those who want to sponsor me, nobody would like to sponsor me by sending super stickers, super chat. Just to add my earnings, can you please sending me super sticker, super chat for my so that I have more I can add my to add my earnings this month. Ayan. Always na lang wala ako sa live. Comment down mga palalabs ko. Nati, we need to wake up early morning tomorrow and we can go up. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Your flu is coming back? Your flu is coming back? It's okay. Maybe you need to drink the medicine now, the small one. You want it? To drink the medicine, the small one. The small. For anti-allergy. Yeah. That is, I will get it. The big one. Here in the small, small not in the box here. The is big one. Xiaomi. Huh? No. Here at the side, the small, white box. Yes, that one. You get the one. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.